it's very unusual for doctors to leave their field of work and get into a different sector altogether. You have managed to establish a certain two different spectrums of business. One where you're running your own clinic, your own service of physiotherapy, and then there's another one where you're running a hospitality business, full pleasure of hotels, multiple locations, multiple rooms, multiple property types. So tell us how you went from firstly how you got into Oxford first. That itself is a very big thing. Then you became a doctor. And then you decided, yeah, I'm bored with all this shit. Or maybe I'll do that on the side and then let me start.
So I want to add on was it before like Oxford के बाद then she also used to go to trips with mother bike expedition. Yes, so like she was she's
Panel doctor for the thought experience.
that is also a big chunk of her life. Absolutely.
So firstly, I'll tell you that one thing which was very clear in my mind was medical was never business for me and will never be business for me. So that's honestly, it's on a very human grounds that I made a conscious decision that it is something which I do for the benefit of neuro kids. I was very clear. Like in my fourth year, I decided कि अगर मास्टर्स करना है तो मुझे पीडियाट्रिक्स में करना है एंड न्यूरो में ही करना है विच अगेन वॉज अ बिग स्ट्रगल बिकॉज फॉर माई पेरेंट्स बिकॉज आई एम नॉट फ्रॉम मेडिकल बैकग्राउंड सो फॉर देम टू कन्विंस मी इट वॉज लाइक डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज दे यूज्ड टू थिंक अरे रोज आप ऐसे डिसेबिलिटी देखोगे रोज ये तकलीफ देखोगे तो कहीं साइकोलॉजिकली विल इट अफेक्ट माई मेंटल हेल्थ तो आई हैड टू बहुत पापड़ बेलने पड़े सो दैट्स व्हाई आई डिसाइडेड लेट्स नॉट बी इन इंडिया आई विल गो अब्रॉड एंड स्टडी आई ट्राइड अ लॉट फॉर यूएस but it didn't crack. Then I tried for UK, of course that worked. Then I tried to settle there as well, but then rules had changed, so I had to come back. After coming back again, it was a big struggle because people were like, get into a government job, get into teaching. I said, no, nothing doing. I want my forte to be neuro. And that's how I started working with NGOs. I started working with therapists who were already established in this field. That's how the whole journey of it started. And then because business ka to kida khai, so it was a very random offer that I got from my ex-boss that if you can go and be as a palliative doctor for this expedition, which was completely dominated by women. So we had to practically take 110cc non-geared TVS bikes. We had to ride those bikes from Manali to Leh Ladakh. It was entire convoy that was rolling. All these 10 bikes which were driven by the women, and I used to be in the ambulance seeing all the hustle that's happening because we had a huge. I think there was an entire convoy of almost 50 people.
Wow.
और फिर तभी जो मेरे बॉस थे आई यूज्ड टू आस्क हिम कि आपने कैसे चालू किया बिकॉज ही आल्सो केम फ्रॉम अ नॉर्मल बैकग्राउंड फिर हॉस्पिटल होटल्स कैसे चालू किए हैविंग अ चेन ऑफ रिजॉर्ट्स फ्रॉम मनाली टू लेह लद्दाख इट स्टार्टेड फैंसीइंग अ लॉट बिजनेस कैसा होता होगा बिकॉज दिस पर्सन आल्सो स्टेइंग इन मुंबई इतने दूर से रिजॉर्ट्स हैंडल करना एंड इट्स अ ह्यूज बिजनेस सो बिकॉज ऑफ हिम एक्चुअली आई केम इनटू दिस फील्ड ऑफ hospitality. I actually started my journey from the resort that was set up in Dahanu. तो मुझे कुछ भी नहीं समझता था ठीक है मुझे सिर्फ पता था कि मुझे ये सीखना है सो आई हैव ट्रैवल्ड फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद टू जयपुर just to select the tiles to attend architect meetings where these people used to sit and they used to ask me कुछ समझा क्या and I used to give a blank reaction कुछ भी नहीं समझा मैं चलो कोई बात नहीं आजा बैठ पहले थोड़ा पार्टी करते फिर कुछ समझाते हैं that's how my whole journey of setting up a resort began and then unfortunately COVID happened but I think that was a blessing in disguise because उसके बाद I took a strong step और फिर मैंने अपना खुद का हॉस्पिटैलिटी शुरू किया
Wow.
so that's been my journey
Next up.
सबसे वियर्ड एक्सपीरियंस से शुरू करता है कि हॉस्पिटैलिटी में जब से आए हो कब से सबसे वियर्ड एक्सपीरियंस क्या रहा कोई कस्टमर का या फिर कोई कॉर्पोरेट से था
नहीं ऐसा weird सब में ही होता है, मतलब मेडिकल हो या हॉस्पिटैलिटी हो, जैसे यू कैन नॉट मेक एवरीवन हैप्पी लाइक इट इज सेट कि किसी किसी को आपके सर्विस में भी दे विल बी लाइक प्राइस पॉइंट पे होता है, जैसे मेडिकल में भी, थेरेपी में भी दे विल नेगोशिएट कि अरे आप इतना इतना चार्ज करते हो, हमको यही सर्विस कम प्राइस में मिलती है कहीं और।
तो उसको कैसे काम में करते हो?
उसको तो कभी कभी तो बाय बाय बोलना पड़ता है, कभी कभी लॉन्गेटिविटी देके आपको अपना प्राइस पॉइंट कम करना पड़ता है। और हॉस्पिटैलिटी में तो क्या सबको ही पता है, आपको एक एसी के ऊपर से भी सुनने को मिलता है, सो दैट्स ओके। सो वियर्ड बहुत होते रहकर, मतलब हम लोग, अगर मेरा एसी का रिमोट इधर भी है तो क्लाइंट विल एक्सपेक्ट कि मेरा स्टाफ जाके उनको हाथ में दे, और फिर ये भी बोलेंगे क्या आप लोग चीजें बराबर से नहीं रखते हो।
Wow. But any client who has asked you to do something absolutely berserk, out of place for asking a management about it. Anything that can remember. I'm sure a lot of clients will be like,
Especially these things happen. Oh, this was like the biggest lesson of life that you had learned. So we had a family group and they had a lot of senior citizens and they had asked us that whether you can provide us with extra staff or support for their senior citizen bench. So we said, yeah, of course. So from that we had, from my selected staff, we had allotted I think 2 staffs who would just cater to them because it was a larger group. But then the expectations started beginning to a point where they were telling my staff, आप पेरेंट्स के पास ही बैठे रहो, टेक देम टू द वॉशरूम्स, आप वो खाना खा रहे तो उनको खाने में हेल्प करो. सो दैट वाज सो देन so my staff obviously started getting irritated because they said that, man, you can't do so much out of the box, like we can be there, but there are 10 other responsibilities which we also have to do. But then taking them to the washroom or feeding them is something which is a bit too much.
right.
Like they went to the beach and they're asking their staff to sit with their parents. Chaddar theek karo, pair dapo. So that's not what hospitality is meant for.
So they expected carry be.
A lot. And it was actually very weird because then we had to tell them, sir, आप help लेके आते हैं.
Right.
ये इसको staff नहीं कर सकता है.
Right.
आई थिंक मूव फॉरवर्ड लाइक छोटा सा इंट्रोड्यूस कर देते सब अपने आप को. यू स्टार्ट विद योर सेल्फ.
एक बार आउट एप इंट्रोडक्शन टू डिस्कार्ड. ओके, सो मैं शाश्वत आपको टॉमिलो साहब, पीछे ही मेरा स्टूडियो है, श्रेय के साथ स्टार्ट किया हुआ है.
बस ताज़ा इंट्रोडक्शन एंड
So please tell us, how did you get into your photography? So no ordinary feat to do what you've done.
And I'm more keen to know what made you just get into this selective field of fashion, because
it's not your fun anymore.
See, paying bills is different.
but to core.
No, so the thing is कि photography is something I know. I knew I wanted to do since I was a kid. Like, I just knew I wanted to be a photographer. So जब मेरे पास 11th class में got a Samsung का phone, first one with the camera, Samsung S7 III करके यूज़ करे. I said to my parents, I want to be a photographer. और उस समय क्या parents बोलते हैं?
How did your parents accept it?
पहले रहते ना कि पहले तो 20 बनाओ, उसके बाद देखेंगे. तो that happened. If you can believe, मैंने MBA का भी एग्जाम दिया हो रहा है. Miserably fail.
वो तो सबने दिया.
एक साल पढ़ाई.
We are all aspirants. Let's get out of the room now.
So मैं सब my character score, whatever that was. उसके बाद बाबा हमको सीधे बोला कि like let me do this once. If I get into a good college, let me pursue. If I don't, I figure out what else to. And उसी बीच में I got into a college in Paris, studied there. So the question है कि इसे बोले फैशन कहाँ से आ रहा है? पेरिस में. Because उस समय तक मुझे फैशन का एफ भी नहीं पड़ा था. कम का मिडिल क्लास फैमिली and specifically not living in Bombay or Delhi. So अगर आप कुछ भी स्पाइस बनाओगे या फिर कुछ पहनोगे, ऐसे आजकल क्या है, फैशन से बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान जा रहा है. That was a comment that was given, right? So उस समय तक फैशन के बारे में मैंने कुछ भी नहीं सीखा, कुछ भी पता नहीं. And then I went to Paris and I just started shooting people at that कीड़ा जो कहते हैं वो वहाँ पर है.
But you're quite lucky that was accepted.
Oh dude, I am like very grateful to my parents that they accepted and they have supported. उनके बिना मैं यहाँ पर नहीं आ सकता. That is like for sure. Like that's what.
Still, I remember as a kid, I used to watch that fashion TV. If you all remember.
वो रात
One will be taken negatively and one was going to resonate with it.
Why my question of asking him for of acceptance was because I used to love fashion. Okay, so I used to walk. I used to actually sit and see in the poise that those models used to walk. The way they used to take those turns.
Our audience is
Okay.
not going to understand.
Fashion shows का ना, I understood what the fashion shows are about. Very gay. पहले I used to see those like eccentric costumes. like ये कौन पहनेगा? But with time I understood कि this is something that they try to push the boundary.
Yeah.
That's not for everyday consumption.
Correct.
And then those like some shows are like which are showing the new pieces.
Right.
So that's the thing. Interesting. वो सारे बचपन में तो you watched fashion. It's you or something else.
Gave that insight of what fashion show was truly meant for, pushing boundaries. I want to understand a little bit deeper from how did clicking a picture from your Samsung phone, because I'm assuming that the clarity was not as good as what we'd see in a magazine, newspaper, TV.
Okay, I'll just say now.
How did that get an emotion out of you that this is something I want to pursue in it?
Okay, so remove the human element from it. बात है उस समय मुझे humans को क्लिक करना एकदम पसंद नहीं था. I saw me click animals, empty streets, mountains, trees, clouds, whatever you think of, but talking. And I hated news. Like because I don't understand how to put because I don't understand how to put frame there. तुम्हारा एक लगा तुम यूनो में एक फ्रेम में डालोगे then each of a certain pose. अगर तुम random pose डालोगे the pose are the order. And that's something I understood from the and knew from there.
Do you think being from the Amazon made you love nature more than humans in terms of photography? That was the reason why you were more.
Nature, I've always loved nature and I'm more of an outdoor person than a beach person. That way I can't say. But no, it's not that. I just love putting things into a frame. I'll explain. So, agar, like I'm just saying in a train and I'm passing by, I see like a person sitting or like whatever. I see an action. I don't have a camera in my hand or a phone. Or I know even if I take out my phone or camera by then, the scene is changed. In my head, I'm able to click that photo and like, oh, this would be a great frame. So I see worlds like that. Right. Like in the passing or in the moment, I see ki kya hai. This is the this is like I see that. So not specific to that dude, it's just like that's how I'm being built. Right. And that's how I did.
I look at everything with a moment in it.
Yeah.
And there's some story behind it.
It's not that it's always there, but like it just happens. You walk by it, you just see something, and it's just beautiful. Like
Yeah, because I remember then we went to Rishikesh. I think when we were going up the hill, you just captured one moment. You remember where we four have clicked pictures. You were the first person who said, "No, I know the spot where we need to click the picture."
this article will have beautiful year. It's just I cannot explain. It's just God with it.
I mean, Shivani, yes.
Introduce. Okay, so fashion. I started. So basically, I was brought up with older brothers in my house. So eventually, my parents they started dressing me like boy only. So then over the years, I thought कि अच्छा अगर यही कपड़े हैं, so I can customize this only and probably try looking like a girl. So I used to cut my father's shirt and everything and make it like a crop top or something like that. And then that's when I decided, okay, कि I want to get into fashion and make my own clothes. And eventually, like, I studied fashion. I did my master's and everything. And parents were very supportive.
So you basically ended up in fashion because you felt that I'm not given a lot of options, so let me make my own.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, like, I always loved seeing people wearing different type of clothes, and I always wanted to do it. But then that time I had no resources, so I used to, make my own stuff. I had a sewing machine also, so I used to stitch and everything. So yeah.
Where did you learn from? What's your brand? Give us name.
I did my graduation from Bombay only. I did my masters from Milan. So started with the streetwear brand. I was never into Indian wear, like never. I wanted to make something which I can relate to, something that shows that this is me. So, like I said, growing with Gadar, I never had the thing of carrying bags and something like that. So I always wanted to make something that has a lot of pockets, comfortable. I can roam around with stuff without carrying anything. So I think streetwear was perfect fit for me, and eventually, started with my own brand. It's been almost 4 years now.
Wow.
Sahil?
So Sahil, I think you should tell us about your journey now. And what made you get into this whole designing desserts?
I don't design desserts. I eat them for a living. Yeah. So I honestly always had the entrepreneurial spirit because my family's had a lot of entrepreneurs and since generations, I think so. My dada, my dad, my nana, everyone. So it was always inbred in us to do something on your own because you see your dad being around. You see him sometimes work on a Sunday, so you know how they're commanding their time, they're giving to family. So for me, it was never the plan to go into food in any way or hospitality because my elder brother went into finance, took up a job. He's like my sort of role model because he's quite elder to me. So I used to always be like, that's my benchmark. That's what I have to follow. He went to NM, so my goal was to go to NM. We went to Flame, my goal was to go to Flame.
Wow.
So I always thought, at least till I got into college, I always thought that I will be mostly doing a job. But always enjoyed making business plans. So I had a group of 2 more friends from my NMIMS who we used to just brainstorm on random ideas. We were standing eating a vada pav and decided, you know what, if someone had a caravan which would come under your building, give you a haircut, wouldn't that be convenient? We don't need to go somewhere. So there were these random ideas that we used to come up with. And so there were signs through my life. As a kid also I've done something to sell and make money out of. We got a college project, so I decided, you know what, let's make money out of this also. So making money was always something I wanted to do, but not in terms of keeping it, but creating something valuable for someone who's consuming it as well. There has to be some value delivery to happen. Like I used to find happiness if you got happy by me giving you something or me doing something for you. So one of my best business models was actually giving notes to all backbenchers because I was a backbencher and I knew the happiness that they got when they have notes before an exam. They were not
I think
stressed.
that is the biggest happiness.
So I always drive myself with that validation, and that's how I ended up in food because college project, we made dessert. We realized that okay, this is the best thing you can do to someone, give them a dopamine boost. They are really happy, and that's how we started our journey as a college project, and it just kept growing. Only because of support. We don't come from any marketing background, extremely underconfident people about what we are doing. Only validation has helped me thrive in my business that people have kept coming back to buy that, oh, you came back to buy, you really liked our product. So, you know what, I'm doing something right. So, that's been our journey in food, and it's extremely passion driven, and at the same time, a little bit of business economics is there just to sustain, as of now. So that's about me and what I do.
But it's such an amazing feeling to get repeat customers. Like it's just give you validation that you are doing great.
It's an addiction. Now I track my weekly repeat relationship to see if someone's not bought again, I can message them.
That's great.
इसलिए तो आया है, आप बताना था कि क्या क्या इनोवेशन लेके आ रहा है, क्या इनोवेशन लाया, आज तक तो कुछ लाया नहीं इनोवेशन.
How to run a digital marketing.
With chaos.
How to run a digital marketing company using ChatGPT.
क्यों उसके धंधे अभी करते हैं?
Don't Barter is very.
He undersells himself sometimes. I feel.
Understand.
वो तो आती है सबकी जिंदगी में डेस्परेट.
Yesterday I was talking to one of the client, no, the day before yesterday, और उसने भेजा and उसको आई थिंक क्लाइंट को कुछ पसंद नहीं आया, कलर चेंज हुआ है, तो ही इज टेलिंग द क्लाइंट बट ChatGPT ने मुझे ये बना के दिया है,
ये कब मेरा से ये देख. So ये
So people was ना हम लोग श्रेय के इसको और श्रेय ये बज रहे
अच्छा के बताने दो कोई फॉर ये तो अच्छी भी चीज है यार भाई. बंदे ने परसों किसी से बात कर रहा था, किस बात कर रहा था
कोई आदमी.
एंड ही लाइक शूट का बात चल रहा है यहाँ पे, ठीक है, एंड कुछ हुआ एंड दिस गाय जस्ट सोल्ड दैट पर्सन कुछ रैंडम चीज बना के बंदे को उसने बेच दिया एंड बंदा कन्विंस्ड कि ऐसे ही होगा.
तो ये सब अच्छा इसलिए बोला है ना कि तेरा रिटेनर बढ़.
नहीं मैं रिटेलर नहीं है, मैं तो फ्रीलांसर बेसिस पे काम करता हूँ. जहाँ पे जितना ये पैसे कमाते उतने पैसे मैं कमाता हूँ. ये के खाते हुए जाता है, मैं खाते हुए जाता हूँ.
But you don't want him to go in that.
Obviously not.
He's a racist bana raha hai. That is a great son.
No, he's but genuinely. ये
I know.
but kidding. But ये बंदा अंदर कोड भी करके करता है. जैसे भी हम सबसे लाइक मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस है, जैसे भी हम लोग शूट कर रहे हैं, काम हम सब लोग कर रहे हैं, इसका भी थोड़ा बहुत काम है, बट ये अपना चार्ज नहीं रहता है. ही शुड बी पुटिंग अ पर्टिकुलर ही इज प्रोड्यूसिंग, ठीक है, तो प्रोड्यूसिंग का चार्ज डाल सकता है या फिर एजेंसी फी डाल सकता है टू गेट एवरीथिंग टुगेदर, बट नो ही डज नॉट डू दैट.
Great guy to work with, not a great guy to partner with.
अभी वही करना है मेरे को. इसलिए लाइक सो थिंग्स बट ऑब्वियसली हमारा जिस सिचुएशन
बस उसका तो फायदा ही पूरा ही है ना भाई.
एजेंसी फीस वो नहीं दे रहा बट यू आर अच्छा नहीं बट
हम लोग का 50-50 है ना. सो व्हाटएवर इट इज अंडर कोड जाता फिर हम लोग को भी काम कर रहे हैं, हम लोग
कोई चिंतित माइंड आते हैं.
एक हाथ में लड्डू मिल रहा है, हमें नहीं मिल रहा है, कंप्लेन करनी है बस.
देखो ये तो सोचो है कि रोलिंग पे तो बिजनेस चल रहा है ना, सस्केप
हम आई तो कर रहा है.
बोली हैपेंस इन एवरीथिंग. मतलब ऐसे
भाई एक साल हो मैं रही सी शुड रेज
अभी तेरा स्टूडियो अच्छे से सेट हो जाएगा और रेस करती. मैं स्टूडियो सेट हो ना हो पैसे में आना चाहिए.
रेंट पे है ना, ये लेता है सवाल.
इसको तो बहुत बेच रहा हूँ मैं, हर शूट में इसको बेच रहा हूँ मैं.
उसी को बेचे
फोटो का ले
यहाँ पे तो खुद का फोटो डाल.
एक तो
Talking about me.
ये बेस वो हंस भी नहीं पा रहा, आवाज निकालते क्योंकि इसकी आवाज
नहीं सीधा यही बोलता हूँ मैं. फोटोज खत्म हो गई, केवल वीडियोस है, केवल वीडियो बनाते हैं, यही बोलता हूँ कि
फोटोग्राफ के साथ शूटिंग भी तो करना नहीं है इसको.
हाँ
वो सादे नहीं है
जो मेकअप इट बैक टू रिपीट कस्टमर.
किसके रिपीट कस्टमर.
तो ये लोग अभी तक ये समझते नहीं है रिपीट कस्टमर कितना जरूरी है. वो एक्वायर करो, लेकिन लोगों को ये समझ में नहीं आता कि मैं मार्केटिंग एजेंसी चलाता हूँ. लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता कि अगर मैं 4 महीने से कर रहा हूँ, आपको इतनी सेल्स आ रही है, लेकिन एक फिक्स सेल्स फिक्स नहीं हुई है कि भाई लाख रुपए दे तो मेरे को हर कस्टमर आएगी, मतलब आपका बिजनेस कुछ ग्रो हो ही नहीं सकता है. ये चीज़ समझते ही नहीं है. तो मेरे को जैसे तुम लोगों की ब्रांड से दोनों, तो मेरे को पता रिपीट कस्टमर कितना ज़रूरी है अपने वर्ड्स में, कि लोगों को समझ में आए कि अगर नहीं है तुम्हारा रिपीट कस्टमर तो बंद कर दो बिजनेस. ये चीज़ कैसे समझा सकते हो? शायद यू स्टार्ट.
वाओ
Thanks. You so well.
सो रिपीट कस्टमर्स ऑफ कोर्स इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट. वैलिडेशन मिलता है कि आप सही जा रहे हो, अच्छा कुछ बना रहे हो, तभी वो कस्टमर्स वापस आ रहे हैं. ऑल्सो कभी कभी रिपीट कस्टमर्स नहीं भी होते अगर ब्रांड अवेयरनेस प्रॉपर मार्केट को रीच नहीं हो रहा है तो और लोगों को पता नहीं लगता है, फिर और कस्टमर्स भी आते. बट फॉर मी रिपीट कस्टमर्स आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
नहीं, रिपीट कस्टमर तुम्हारा कभी कभी लाइन ऑफ प्रोफेशन पे भी डिपेंड कर.
नहीं बोल रहे क्या मेरे इसमें रिपीट कस्टमर
You wouldn't want repeat in your profession.
if she wishes that she is
No, but
but see now, even I have sold, yeah.
ये ताज है रिपीट कस्टमर्स की ओके जाते हैं तो बाद में हर बार उधर ही स्टे करूंगा
आज की बात नहीं कर रहा.
दिस हॉलीडे
Physio.
ओके इज इट
That is it, but as a physio also, my repeat clients are with me for years now.
Yeah, like
And different problem. Yeah, with a different problem.
not the same.
Repeat clients are the ones who give me maximum of referrals because of the trust building. कि मेरा first hand में, because I've treated their X problem, now like she said, validity. So of course that is validating my work and the trust building has already happened.
Right.
Like suppose ये मेरे पास आता है शोल्डर के लिए, ठीक है, तो इसका शोल्डर ठीक हो गया. He may come with a knee problem. Now he's already my biggest seller, you can say. He उसका
Yeah, he's an advocate.
He's an advocate.
Services.
कि okay, my this acute shoulder problem is treated. अब ये भेजेगा मुझे किसी और के, वो बोलेगा ना तुझे कि श्रेय, मेरा ये जो second build up हो रहा है is because of the trust building that has happened.
There are two aspects to repeat. Both are important. One is emotional, one is economics. Emotional, that whatever you are doing, they like it. That's why they're coming back. And the second is you invested time, money, resources to provide them something once. When they come back for the second time, your effort is much lower in terms of providing to them, because you're probably, in terms of economics, you can say your marketing cost is low. In my case, the discount is lower as a user acquisition. In her case also, it might be similar if we are talking about the website. In her case, it might be lower in terms of turnaround or convincing someone to take a longer subscription or a longer duration or continuity of coming back to her, right? So repeat always helps in different economical as well as emotional way. Emotionally, it's for you, for your business.
It's like a validation that you get from the.
Correct.
Yeah. And economics wise, it's always more profitable to have a repeat customer in your business.
Because are always good.
But for an entrepreneur to realize कि now it's the time I'm not getting it, I should close it down. 99% don't understand. What is that?
So I feel person perception also in this approach की कैसे आपको
Yeah, close.
pivot.
हाँ.
Hey, why are you? What do you mean by say like they don't understand and they should close? Why close?
That's what.
People in general are very like wishful thinking and hopeful कि okay कुछ ना कुछ हो जाएगा, कुछ ना कुछ हो जाएगा. Optimist था, होते हैं कि हो जाएगा. But they keep on running and burning.
But do you think they do not understand that, they do not know this point, or do you think they are?
So when you're so much into it, you have already spent lakhs and lakhs and lakhs. तो सोचते हो इतना पैसा लग गया, ये सारा एक सेकंड में बर्बाद हो जाएगा मेरा, तो I should keep running it. They don't know कि okay 3 गुना और लगने वाला, वो भी बर्बाद होने
So
से.
it's the classic difference of an entrepreneur and a businessman.
Correct.
A businessman knows when to pivot, when to change, when to stop. An entrepreneur is passion driven. He's more emotional about it. And a lot of times entrepreneurs are also solving for problems they themselves face. So that also comes into play, and that's I think what he is trying to
Business has to be on repeat client or on represent. Because lot of aspects. मतलब किसी ने business repeat client नहीं मिला बोल के तो कभी भी बंद नहीं किया होगा.
So like now what do you say? What do you consider yourself like as a businessman or a
I've always been a businessman. Always. The entrepreneurship spirit only kicks in when I'm very down or we are facing a massive challenge. Otherwise, it's always businessman. Day one, you have to, for every rupee you put in, you need to get more than a rupee back. It can be 1 rupee, 1 paise.
Correct.
As one has to be someone,
Freelancer की बात आप क्या बोला थी? What did he say?
freelancer.
वो freelancer ही है. Ask me the question.
So for what are you, an entrepreneur or a businessman, an artist?
It was only sure for.
that is actually Kyo claps.
Thank you. That's
I love it. That,
No, but generally, but to be honest, like I should consider myself as should work towards that, but no, for some reason, for me in my head, I want to be an artist first and then anything else, because that's where if I pivot, if I start looking at my work as a business, then I'll stop enjoying it. And for me to work, I need to enjoy it. Otherwise, there's no winning the brands. I cannot do.
absolutely fair. I mean, every artist has a business manager.
बट जो तूने मारा ना,
Wajay, I'm last on to this guy.
बट जो तूने बोला ना एंटरप्रेन्योर और बिजनेसमैन फर्स्ट, तो मेरे ख्याल से वो एंटरप्रेन्योर नहीं, वो सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड वाली चीज़ नहीं होगी, या फिर अलग अलग चीज़ें।
नहीं यार, तुम्हारा
सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड इज ऑल्सो बिजनेसमैन।
self-employed is a businessman and an entrepreneur, right? And a freelancer.
Because I am a self-employed person.
You are a self because you are doing everything on your own and everything.
Right.
And businessman, okay, who delegates and all.
But that depends on the journey of your business that Jay is in right now, right? If you don't have resources at the beginning, you are going to be as a
So as a business also, you are say a lot का say.
की शुरुआत
You should not leave your things and say कि मैं मेरा ये part इसको दे दूँ.
Like, I'm pretty sure when you started, you did not like give jobs to so many people. You were self-employed, like,
still yes.
and then you delegate work.
So like when you started out,
business grows.
like with your Moose start, did you have enough resources to hire people immediately after month? No.
So resource as well as conflicts.
Yeah.
When you are hiring, that's the difference, right? When you are hiring, also you should have that confidence that I'll be able to pay the salary. Sometimes people don't look at all those factors when they are commenting that why aren't you hiring? Was because I don't know where I get the salary.
But the thing is, for confidence skills and all is very.
Salary, I
Let-
think कि look, sorry. No, because that's what I feel, that a lot of people ask me also that, you know, why don't you just assess and put the treatment to some other physio, or maybe even in hospitality, like you can put on automation. But more than the economic part, I feel that whether that person will be able to deliver like the way I am delivering. Like, I'm sure you also would be making the whole product, but I don't mean the delivery part is you practically go and putting it, but your whole process of curating that whole moves, maybe the way you would want it to be curated. That's what I'm saying.
There'll be a point where you'll have to do it, otherwise you'll not be able to.
I take a classic example in your case. There are physios who are very big now. They don't treat everyone. They charge a premium if they're doing it themselves. There is a dermat doing that. There's a doctor doing that, and it's true and it's a journey.
Yeah, that's
It's where you want to be, right? You choose to be someone who's doing the most
that's what it
important.
was, right? Even now, a lot of cases is somewhere where I do the assessment, the treatments are carry forward. Yeah, it's a journey.
That's why every I had with him yesterday, like for me also to grow my business, I have to hire people for me to go out and bring more work. अगर सब मैं खुद ही करूँगी तो then the business is not going to grow. Like, if you give out your work, तो आप जाके और ला सकते हो कि मैं और लोगों को ट्रेक करूँ.
This is the pant month and she has to go get that punting KC thing done. She runs and goes behind. In screen printing, she runs and goes behind.
Right.
कैसे do it?
So of course I have to hire people.
No, that was me. Which I
So वही other way around भी हो सकता है कि like will I be able to pay the salary or not, so you can figure out कि okay, if I assign him or get someone hired, then okay, I will have more time to get more business, and I will be able to, you have to be that confident कि okay, I'll get this much business कि I'll be able to pay the salary on time and everything.
The business really has to countries.
So recently this thing happened with me na. One thing, I got more confident recently only when I took this place and all, and so I had aimed ki, okay, this month I have to get all these things. So this I made a target, and there was something I had to pay off also. So when I met the target and all, it got achieved and I was able to pay off all those things. I got okay, if I set a target and if I know okay, this much I have to do, then mind works in a different phase.
That's why Tata Punch. Tata Buzz. He ran it out.
पंच दे ही रही है, वेट सब तो पंच में स्विच कर दिया.
हाँ,
ये भी अब रेंज ज्यादा है उस पंच के.
And plus, yeah, where we park here. Punch will.
बस कच्ची का गाड़ी है क्या?
सच्ची का पानी.
Tata Punch has no reason, it's
हाँ, Tata Punch is getting a 14 lakhs and 450 kilometers, and Racer उसको more 17 lakhs for 250.
तुम तो पिज्जा चीज़ आप एक स्पेयर कर रहे.
Exactly.
Not like a full
So
tank.
basically, he paid off one and then he paid them another. That's the con.
मुझे लगा कि टाटा पंच इस तूने उसको
एक्चुअली में यही है था
ये कि कौन एडिटर बैठ के इतना एडिट करेगा कभी करेगा इसको क्यों नहीं सब डालने की बात है इसलिए कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं लेता है मैं बता रहा हूँ
तो हम सीरियस बातें करेंगे
सीरियसली बात
That's where we know we have to end.
नहीं 30 मिनट्स पे करेंगे जो भी करना है बट हाँ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अच्छा नहीं करना है क्या हुआ
तू करना अभी
तो आरओआई का बोले ना आप जब तो आरओआई का मैं की बोलूँ चाहे रहना है एंड करना है भी एट 11:30 जो 47 वाला
नहीं तुम कंटिन्यू करो मैं इससे एस्केप ले लूंगी या फिर टू भी कंटिन्यू करके तुम अपना कर लो
आरओआई की बातें कंटिन्यू करें
ये नहीं बलंडो सीरियस आरओआई में मत घुस हो अरे लचिका फेस गिरता है कैसे निभक कर
तेरे क्वेश्चन आंसर चालू कर
क्वेश्चन नहीं चालू जा रहे फिर जा रहा सीधा रैपिड फायर
रैपिड कुछ तो फनी
कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग
अरे को हमारे जले चेंग नमक चेक तरह से बातें पूछ रहे हैं
टैग ChatGPT इन दिस टैग करो ChatGPT को सैम को देखते रहे हो
Sam tech sap out पे.
इसमें रैपिड फायर जैसे क्वेश्चन डाले में ये है
वैसे गए ना तेरा क्या हो बॉलीवुड वन वर्ड कुछ जिसे पढ़े थे एंड के
अब रात देखो बहुत से सॉन्ग में ये रगे
बता तो
अरे बता तू चालू कर रैपिड फायर क्वेश्चन टू
अपना सही जा रहा था तू फालतू पे ले जा रहे हो फालतू की बात है ना तेरा ही तो एक सेगमेंट था फालतू की बातें भी है
Smart thing.
प्लीज से शुरू करिएगा पाँच
Matcha.
वो गिरेगा ये जो कोई भी करे ये गिरे ना
शासन मत कर
शासन दे ये भी सीरियस है
सॉरी
ये बोल के डर गए इसको
एक्चुअली कर
एक्चुअली करो
लेट्स स्टार्ट विद रैपिड फायर राउंड विद क्वेश्चंस
थोड़ा हमको कॉफी विद करण वाला फीलिंग है ना बट प्रोवाइडेड अच्छा है पर
मिल रहा है मोस्ट ऑफ क्या चाहिए
Clients आएगा.
हाँ मुस्टरक देगा स्लैम बोलेगा मुझे बोलेगा आपका मैं पूरा फोन पे करता हूँ
नहीं नो सो मींस कैमरा को बेसिक है तुम बातें करते रहो मैं अपना थोड़ा जैन जीपीटी कर रहा हूँ
सो आई आस्क जो उस केस में है इफ नॉट द करंट बिजनेस वी आर इनटू वो नहीं तो लाइक व्हाट एल्स यू थिंक डीपर दैट
आई वुड ब्रेव फैशनिस्टा जो मुझे हमेशा से करना
Like
था
fashionista, as in, would you be like on Instagram fashion?
like an influencer
no way not an influencer
And you'll be
I would actually like
Designer.
a
fashion advisor
or like a personal stylist or something.
no I would like to be a fashion advisor or maybe write blogs about fashion
Okay,
also
that's a tip.
but ask them in box not but yeah
oh brother there are different mediums you can put it on Instagram you can
I don't think.
blog
yeah
bloggers.
Coach, blogs are also interest.
Does the past blog you read?
I don't remember. But I read.
but
say we say na कि वो आए read somewhere आज को
I read about all these big brands about where their source of inspiration has come or these things are
on
documented
their social media posts these days हैं और आज के दिन में blog more पड़ता है
It depends, right? Of what are you researching on? Like,
Yeah.
for example, I'm researching on copy right now. So Instagram obviously has a lot of content around copy. But if you really want to understand about the chemistry, it's there much better available in written format. Because it's such an old craft that it was first written and then recorded. So now recording is still reaching the chemistry part of it.
sir tell me these posts that have been written in these blog posts are they new or are they old
Yeah, wrong.
that's all yeah you see my question is
see and you always rely on some stuff that
They are actually, I'll tell you what, there is a Indian food columnist called Veer Sangvi. Yeah, he still writes and I still read. He's a guy who's been there for he's old writes, but he posts it on his Instagram.
But I say there
I blog and I'll read it.
the reading crowd has reduced, but there are still people who read.
Absolutely, it's
it's about what are you writing, right? Like,
Yeah, that's true.
AI is also something you dare to still read about.
Getting an audience now is much difficult for something like this.
It's about who you are targeting, right? Like I said, AI you still have to read about.
Yeah.
So it depends on where you are, and so maximum of science is still something you need to read about. You will not get video content about it.
See,
It's a written every
one thing, and how,
said
how
every-
authentic your data is also.
Correct.
Like, you would not rely on something who was just giving me information of Instagram. I would still go back, I would research, I would
Reddit.
deeply read about it.
Go on Reddit forums. I mean, I still do.
I mean, I keep reading about what is new in my
Bharat art. तब मुझे कहा there is Reddit actually there's a pen.
अच्छा Reddit
happened.
हाँ wait
My point was only whiskey. The question was today what you do. My body is ki whatever you're referencing to, whatever you're reading about, all of you, these would be say before the whole boom in the like Instagram boom, आपका social media को. The content that has been written online, जहाँ से तुम लोग blog ये सब पढ़ो, पहले के समय में. आज के समय में if you have to be in this night, if you want to talk about this, I either be making a video or Instagram पे या फिर
Can I tell you something? The most intellectual people that I know, they read the most. They don't. That's all this.
not a lot of people don't know. We're not a mass gentle talk. That is what I'm saying.
listen what you listen you remember more, what you see you remember even more, but what you read is the least.
Technically, yes, but because these guys are processing so much information at all time.
प्लस रीडिंग में बहुत डेप्थ में होता है, लिसनिंग वो लोग बहुत कट ऑफ करते हैं.
Reading activates your imagination also. Okay, this is how it would be.
So, coming back to your point, the broader audience is younger, so making video makes sense.
Yeah.
That's about. Because going forward, writing blogs, I don't think a lot of people would be doing.
Yeah, young audience will also get bored. Will also mature.
There's
That's when
But they are
there's a how older version how time going back to the boomer generation, they started with newspapers and they still read blogs, online blog viewer. For the generation which is newer, they started off with TikTok videos. They will graduate to sort of Instagram videos. They will not completely shift to reading, is my point. Correct.
don't think they get this up.
That's what I think. Might be wrong. This in the sorry.
No way. The correct key can be a key of the future. We don't know. It's true.
So support.
हाँ हो गया बराबर हो गया कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट भी है इसमें तो थोड़े बहुत मैच
चीज तमीज आ जाए अच्छे क्वेश्चन पूछना बोरिंग मत पूछना
अच्छे बात है तेरे लिए पूछो देर से रिलेटेड तो तेरा हो नहीं रहा सबसे अच्छी मैं फिगर आउट नहीं कर रहा लाइन वाइज पूछूंगा घर में जब If your business had a Tinder profile, what would it bio say? What would its bio say?
Let me click here.
Let me click you. अच्छा business का okay okay. Yours.
Yeah, Pikachu.
Gross. That is disgusting.
It's disgusting.
Committed.
Committed. Committed with work, yeah. अच्छा okay. Services.
Yeah, you're at Tinder. You know that you got not.
Yeah, you're
Then get repetitive of things about it.
That's what. But
Let me dress you.
मुझे जाता क्या है?
Swipe right if you want best pics and good vibes.
Yours.
Single sir. No added preservatives. Lots of fun.
तो उससे यार याद है
But the Naomi said.
Mind is specifically let me cities. उसका Tinder let me sell you.
Yes, ना अभी बाहर अभी क्या बोल
Big fun, yeah.
सच में फिर भी बनेगा. हम लोग दोनों ने decent आंसर दिए.
मैं तो अच्छा like
What is the weirdest thing that you have done to get out of an awkward client meeting?
what?
Sorry.
The weirdest thing that you have done to get out of a client meeting.
Get out.
Right? Yeah, out. Yes.
I have not. I won't do it this way. Yeah, bro.
never
Whatever the kind is, I will. अगर business हो सकता है.
मतलब अगर स्विच ऑफ भी हो गए कभी हाँ तो करते हैं.
But Shrey will check out. I know this guy. He will like on the mobile at the personal stop. Dude, I've been to a client meeting with this guy, and like I'm not no shade at him. So the guy is already a client of his, okay, and he wants certain things to be done. So client उसको बता रहा है, फोन उठाया, फोन पे टाइप करेगा. कौन सी क्लाइंट बात आप ये पहले की बात है. And the guy is not talking to anyone else. The guy, no. The guy is already assigning people. But the client को client को assign कर रहा है. ये already assign कर रहा है. client ने कर क्या रहे हो?
मैंने बात बोला नहीं, क्लाइंट ऐसे नहीं बोला. मैंने कहा अच्छा ठीक है, हाथों हाथ में असाइन कर देता हूँ ताकि कहाँ अच्छा चल रहा है.
कुछ नहीं
क्या
बोला.
बोल रहे हो उस पे वो चीज
सेल्फ टॉक क्या होगा
देख के बहुत करता है.
उसे सेल्फ टॉक क्या
मतलब ये बात कर रहा है, ये मोबाइल पे खेल रहा है.
मोबाइल पे खेल ले रहा हूँ. जो वो बोल रहा है काम टास्क को असेटिंग द टीम
Exactly.
सो दैट इट्स गेट डन. एंड वो ऑलरेडी क्लाइंट था. क्लाइंट मीटिंग नहीं फर्स्ट
क्लाइंट तेरा फैन बजा रहा है.
लेकिन वो रिपेयर क्लाइंट है तो आज भी क्लाइंट है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है उसमें. बट उसका काम होना चाहिए प्रॉब्ली ना. दैट्स व्हाई आई असाइन डायरेक्टली. ओके, इफ यू कुड स्टॉप योर बिजनेस विद समवन, हु वुड इट बी एंड व्हाई? स्वॉप इलॉन मस्क के साथ, जैक के साथ, किसी के साथ अगर कर सकते हो, स्वॉप कर सकते हो कि भाई खुद को कि एक दिन के लिए या एक महीने के लिए मेरी जगह ये होगा तो अच्छा करेगा. एंड व्हाई?
मेरा बिजनेस वो अच्छा करेगा.
हाँ,
नहीं ये मतलब नहीं है तू किसी और बिजनेस में घुसना चाहो.
क्वेश्चन पर पूछ रहा है.
वो क्वेश्चन का मतलब भाई ये तूने बोला.
With someone, if you could stop your
Exactly.
with someone.
You look up to their business. For me, it would be Peter Lindbergh. That guy is a master photographer. If I were be,
I think it'll be my mama.
अच्छा,
He'll be a very good fit क्योंकि उनको बेचना आता है. I am more of a back end person. मैं पूरा बना के दे सकती हूँ बट मैं जाके बेच नहीं सकती.
शायद
Try to swap. I would definitely enjoy nomadic travelers or food bloggers life where I'm just traveling and eating and blogging, record.
He said then somebody who is a good fit to handle your business.
I was getting to that. And in my business, I would want someone, I don't know their names right now, but I will eventually hire them. Someone who's already scaled other competition dessert brands in current landscape.
Who is the biggest competitor?
Theo, bro, they are much bigger than me. I mean, I'm way smaller for them. Theo Brahma is there's Benjamin Waffle, there are hundreds of them where the space I operate in, and
But the one you look up to, and the phone emulate can be bigger than them.
I don't know emulate anyone because in none of my competition actually emulated anyone. They stood for their own identity, right? Theo got Theo's image because of the brownies and the packaging and the product itself. A Belgian waffle became Belgian waffle again because of the product. A pancake, Soya 99 pancakes, eaten again because of the product. A Starbucks became Starbucks because of the product and service. So I don't think so. Emulation will be a success formula in our case. It might be a reference point.
Reference point.
If I had to reference, I would want to be in the middle of a Theo Broma and a Belgian waffle. So I would want to operate a mini kiosk, mini QSR. So the size comes from Belgian waffle, but the offerings come from Theo Broma. The vibe and the offering.
Okay. And for me, wait, I want to say Peter Lindbergh. We have complete my story.
okay.
Peter Lindbergh because that guy. Us. मैं कहता वो बंदा यहाँ पर आके मेरा काम संभालेगा तो रिटल
हाँ, सुबह सुबह मैं 50 लाख कोट कर पाऊंगा था.
50 लाख
कम है
बहुत ज्यादा है
आज.
और बहुत सारे लोग ऐसा
तू उसको ही पकड़ने के पीछे लगा.
You see yourself doing what you're doing right now till the end of your life. Be amazing if this started the answer also.
Yes. I would imagine myself as a 60, 70-year-old, which is very steady, to be honest. And I can also move at anything else.
मतलब 5 साल बाद
Nearly there.
very close. But I cannot imagine.
Hello. Sorry, क्या?
Being a mother,
Yeah, of course. I mean, I know my exact target at what I want to reach and by what age I would reach there.
would you retire or like?
No, I don't wish to retire. From hospitality or, no, from hospitality, probably I put it on automation, to be very honest, but medical wise, no. I do not wish to retire.
Yeah, neither do I. Like, I feel it's the only way I can communicate. I definitely would want to have different verticals, different businesses, but fashion is what it costs.
I'm selling overseas.
हम सर सिर्फ मतलब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 4-5 साल करो, अच्छी रवियों से लाओ, उसके बाद पास करो यार। ये तो अलग बात है, लेकिन जो भी करो फिर उसके बाद नेक्स्ट स्विच करो। एक साथ बहुत साल नहीं कर सकते थी।
You will
Plus, something you can have that's what I said. अलग business उस पे verticals हो सकते
मीडिया से निकल जाएगा फिर इतने कौन है आपके वो क्या किस पे रहेगी उसमें नहीं पता, लेकिन जिंदगी भर तो इतना ब्रेन तो नहीं है।
श्रेय बोलेगा उस टाइम पे जो जिससे पैसा बनता है मैं उसका
बट कभी कभी
yeah, but that's how it has to be.
so they're basically chasing money and not that's your passion is chasing money. हाँ,
I would say I would want to have the flexibility to pursue my passion without the pressure of maybe finance or
so then what's your passion?
chill.
I agree. Travel.
That's a very clear cut. तो यहाँ पे ऐसा कौन सा आदमी बैठा है कि मोस्ट लाइकली कोई घटिया सा आइडिया भी उसको वायर कन्वर्ट करने का? तो
Yeah?
Yeah.
घटिया सो
मुझे अपने साइन भी
साहिल ही कर सकता है, बट घटिया वाला नहीं होगा।
I don't know there, but अभी चलते conversation. I think he can.
नहीं, घटिया श्रेय कैन
He can also do it. She too can do it. Or
श्रेय, हाँ, श्रेय lives in that.
She thrives in chaos.
ये घटिया से घटिया आइडिया लेता
तो उसको वैलिड करने पर हाँ पर बंदे में दम है कि
Keep it simple.
yeah, so that's what.
Yes, because you
he makes the other person believe कि इतना easily कि आप convince हो जाओ.
like I see quite first time a salesman like वो like he has people and काम लाता है, he हो मैं इसको देना है and काम कैसे निकलवाना और client को serve करना है।
you've not seen his true potential yet.
What can I do?
The day he has 3 or 4 more shares under him, that's when you'll see him move money. Where his deal values will be much higher, that's where he's sell. Right now he's just doing Jugaad. Because he's still latte actually. He's still doing all of this.
Setting up his own
Yes.
space. Yeah.
Once he catches that momentum at all,
Eventually कहाँ से रहेगा?
Fine neither. But Marina, it's very you actually I feel that every person should be able to create a you. That's where
Why creating you?
it's very important. अगर हम बोलते हैं
रूश रे वो बच्चे की बात नहीं करते.
शादी भी नहीं आज ही क्रिएट करेगा सही मतलब बेटर वर्जन ऑफ यू मतलब होगा चाहिए
but वो जो आप बोलते हैं कि रेप्लिका क्रिएट करो
someone you can trust
Yeah.
with the eyes closed.
Exactly.
You know कि नहीं है तो भी क्या काम हो.
ठीक है